We write the song, and during that time we come up with different topics and we vote about which one is better, and sometimes we compromise and we combine all the good ideas in one. Teamwork is very important because when you work together you'll make better stuff.
But then I realized if you do all that stuff is complicated to do over and over again, and it wouldn't set the tone for the melodic structure. But it's still good, like when they do the drum fill, it makes it feel really good at the end, like the big cymbal at the end. It's kind of fun to do, to experiment with all the different beats.
It's like I always wanted to play electric guitar. As they say, practice makes perfect, but there's no such thing as perfect. So practice makes better, as my sister says, and I'm definitely better than when I didn't even know how to play.
And
our group works very well together, and whenever there's a problem, we fix it really quickly.
Is there anything else you would like to add before we end the interview?
You're going to like our show.
Football Kids!